Hi there, welcome to Helpful Solutions. In this video, we will discuss simple steps to troubleshoot if Facebook dating not showing on iPhone. Let's dive in. Number first solution you need to check is to ensure Facebook dating is available in your region. Facebook dating is accessible only in specific countries. If you are in a region where it's not supported, the feature would not appear on your app. As of now, Facebook dating is available in countries like the United States, Canada, Brazil, and several European nations. For a detailed list, refer to the Facebook official announcement. Number second solution is to verify age requirement. User must be at least 18-year-old to access Facebook dating. Ensure your birth date on your Facebook profile reflects this. If it's incorrect, update it and navigating to your profile's About section and editing your basic information. Number third solution is to update the Facebook app. An outdated app version can hinder certain features. To date, on iPhone, open the App Store, tap your profile icon at the top right, scroll to find Facebook and tap Update if available. Number four solution is to enable location services. Facebook dating requires location access to function properly. To enable on iPhone, go to Setting, scroll down and select Facebook, tap Location and choose while using the app. Ensure precise location is toggle on. Number fifth solution is to check your internet connection. A stable internet connection is crucial. Switch between Wi-Fi and cellular data to see if the issue persists. If other apps also face connectivity issues, consider resetting your network setting. Number 6 solution is to restore the Facebook app. Minor glitches can be resolved by restarting the app. On iPhone, swipe up from the bottom of the screen and pause in the middle to open the app switcher. Swipe left or right to find Facebook. Swipe up on the app's preview to close it. Reopen the Facebook app. Number 7 solution is to clear app cache. Clearing cache data can resolve performance issues. iOS does not offer a direct cache clearing option. Instead, deleting and reinstalling the Facebook app. Press and hold the Facebook app icon, tap Remove app, then Delete app, reinstall Facebook from the App Store. Number 8 solution is to enable Facebook notifications. Ensure notifications are enabled to receive updates. On iPhone, go to Setting, tap Notifications, select Facebook, toggle on Allow Notifications. Number 9 solution is to log out and log back in. Refreshing your session can help. Open the Facebook app, tap the menu at the bottom right, scroll down and tap Log Out. After logging out, re-enter your credentials to log back in. Number 10 solution is to check for app restrictions. Ensure there are no restrictions preventing Facebook from functioning. On iPhone, go to Settings, tap Screen Time, select App Limits and ensure Facebook is not restricted. Number 11 solution is to reinstall the Facebook app. If issue persists, reinstalling can help. Delete the app as mentioned above, reinstall it from the App Store. Number 12 solution is to contact Facebook support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to Facebook support for further assistance. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more practical tips. Thanks for watching.